In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to add death counter in OBS Studio. First of all, we have to install a plugin, and the plugin name is DCSP, and you get this plugin GitHub download link in my video description box. Just come to this page and under assist here you get the plugin exe file. Download the exe file, then go to your file explorer, go to download folder, and here you get the DCSP installer. Just go ahead and install this plugin. Once the plugin successfully installed, you have to go ahead and open this DCSP on your PC. So you can just click on your search box and type here DCSP and open the app. Once the app open, here go to settings, and in settings select keyboard, and here you will find this increment and decrement. So click on this three dot next to increment, and here press keys you want to bind. I'm adding here plus, and then for decrement I'm adding the minus key, and then I'm clicking on close. And then here under this counters box, click on this plus icon. Sorry, before that, right click on your desktop and click on new and select a text document and type here death counter, and then click on this plus icon, and here counter name give death counter, and file, click on this three dot next to file, and from desktop you have to select this death counter text, and then count, select here 0, and increment I'm selecting here 1 is perfect. Then click on close, and then all you have to need, go to your OBS Studio, under sources click on this plus icon, select text and enable read from file, click on browse, and from your desktop you have to select the death counter text and then click on OK. And here we can see the text add date, and now you can increase your text. And now whenever you want to increase your death counter, just press the plus key, and as you can see death counter increasing one by one. So if you press multiple times, death counter will be increased just like this, and if you press the minus key, your death counter will be decreased. Thanks for watching.